Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW A70, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold it for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and now we can see here the created new home screen folder. If you want to add here more applications, you can just do it by the same way, just by hold it and drag it to the folder. Oh no. So as can you see, now we have 4 applications in one folder. If you want to rename this folder, just click here on the name and enter, for example, the apps. Here we now just can see the changes in our device of folder name. You can move this folder here on the screen, just hold it and drag it. Also you can move the folder between the screens, or if you want to, you can create a new screen with this folder. That's not a problem, as can you see. And to remove some applications from here, just hold it and drag it here to this just to the home screen. But if you want to remove this application, all of them, just do it by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.